Back guys to this UI UX course. In this video, we'll go ahead to talk about images. So I just created a rectangular object, and if you click the color palette, you see a gradient tab. You can change gradients for your object and see the image tab, which is the next one. So you choose image. So basically, if you downloaded the image, you can just choose it. So I just choose this good, wonderful wallpaper, and it also have certain modes: fill, fit, crop, and what have you. So that's the fit. Crop, you can reduce, and once you hit enter, it crops the image. So I just did Ctrl Z. Then tile, I can do it 25%. It has a percentage there. So you can see tiled it 25%. And as you click and drag it, the percentage increases on the right pane, just as you see. So even when you increase the size of your object, that's the rectangle in this scenario, the tile also increases and doubles itself. So as you can see, 100%, 10%, and we saw 25% earlier. So basically, this is the different modes that are available once you embed an image to a shape. Yes, so that's just it. So I'll just bring it back to fill. And besides that, other things you can do, you can rotate the image, not the shape. Mind you, I'm rotating the image and not the shape, rotating by degrees. So also there are also certain edit functionalities such as the exposure, the contrast, the saturation, temperature, tint, highlights, and shadows. All these are available to you within the Figma software. Yes, for you to work with. So now I create a circular shape, create another polygon shape, and I want to place image between the two of them. So Figma has wonderful functionalities that can allow you to select two images and place it across several shapes or objects or elements in your design. So I'll just kindly select a passport picture of mine. Then besides that, I'm looking for something else to select. You see the magic that Figma is gonna do on this. So I'll select another one. So once I click the first shape, it embeds it. Click the second shape, it embeds it, and very sleek. You see how this is just happening very fast. So the same functionalities with the fit, crop, fill, and what have you. I can also add a stroke and set it to the outside, and the same thing on the ellipse. I can also add a stroke. Yes. So basically, that's one of the features that Figma can do. Aside that, you can just come to your downloads section and click and drag an image, and it will come to your Figma software.